Hello everyone, good morning. Check these out. Hindi ka lang masasakinan.
Masakit ako sa motor ni mo pa.
Ay! Dali ka daw. Ako yung bilin dito ka. Dili ka sa ka din actually. Wow. Hello! Hello sir, hi! Kamusta naman ka? Check! Okay sir! Followers ko rin mo! Pagkulit mo! Wow! Oh. I'm so happy for that. Nindot kasi sila mga sakyanan ah. Makakatkat din. Whoa, 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 whoa. What? Oh. Di matong ka daw. Hello. Hello, sir. May hapon.
May mo message.
Ah, okay. Pleased to meet you. Finally, sir. Not that.
Food. Biscuits. Candies.
Okay.
Notebooks. Crayons. Pencils. Crayons. Colors. Pretty kay ang sunset.
Kasi na yung magpayag din eh. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I-edit itong video. Airdrop itong video.
Okay, sure. Sir Nat and his company came to see us in the farm and they came to share the blessings to Silalayan.
Helen Mandayanon.
Blessings everyone, mag-amping ka.